Hello, we are solving a hard question today for the PrepVector SQLite challenge. We are given a table with some event logs and we need to find the top 5 users with the longest continuous streak in 2020. The output should look like this: user ID and their consecutive streak lengths. Let's see the data. Here we have user IDs, their log dates, and some URLs. We won't use the URLs, so only focus on this. And to solve this question, I generated 3 different queries, as you can see. Let's start with this one. Here I found the previous dates using the lag window function. And I filtered this to show only the 2020 logs and ordered by user ID ascending and created it ascending. And it gave me this output here. As you can see, I'm taking the previous dates. And obviously we have some nulls in the beginning of each user ID, each distinct user ID. And in the recursive CT, we will get rid of those. And one more step before the recursive CT. Here I'm taking the day difference using diplow t, kind of. So as you can see, I'm here taking the day difference, and I'm also filtering out the nulls. And this gave me this output here. As you can see, we have some differences greater than 1, like here, here, and so on. And in the recursive case, what we will do is we'll set the base case to 0 if the day difference is either null or greater than 1. Let me show you. And before doing that, let me explain the recursive CT as a whole. This whole recursive case, this whole recursive CTE, calculates the consecutive streak lengths several times for each user ID, and then takes the maximum of those consecutive streak lengths here. So let's start with the date groups as the first CTE. This is the same as above. We are taking the day differences, and for 2020 only, we have the streak CTE, and it has the base case and the recursive case. In the base case, we are taking the user ID and the date and set 1 as streak length, and we are filtering the day difference as null or greater than 1. And we need to get the union all. And here is the recursive case. It's like a kind of a while loop. We are increasing the streak length by 1, and we are making sure this is correct in the join clause here. Now we are taking the next date, next day. It's like your tree root is here set to 1, and you are calculating the days your tree grows, like how many days it grows. And by the way, I used the inner join. This is inner join by default. So don't use like a left join because it's not correct. It may, your computer may crash. And that's it, I think. And in the end, I will, I just take the maximum streak lengths by using the group by. And since we need only the top 5 streak lengths, I'm just ordering the string length by, descending. And that's the answer. This gives the answer. This gives this answer, I mean. And actually, I just submitted it, and you can check it here. It gave me the perfect score here. I also tried using the base case, starting the base case from 0, but it gave me 7 points because I missed the first day doing this. So just start with 1 and go. Thank you.